The F-150 turn signal sound is one of those oddly satisfying quirks that Ford just can't seem to leave alone. It's a low, rhythmic tick, like a metronome, and for a lot of people, it's always been part of the truck's DNA. Here's the thing. Most of us barely notice these everyday chirps and clicks, until one day, you do. Then it's all you can hear when you're driving in Portland traffic, doing the endless left-right shuffle to avoid bicyclists and construction zones. It's surprisingly polarizing. Some drivers, especially longtime F-150 owners, will swear by its classic sound and say it's weirdly comforting. Others think it's a little too loud, or that the frequency is just slightly off. Kind of like hearing a record just a hair out of tune. There's a real reason for this. Ford actually engineers their turn signal sounds, and they've changed across different generations. There's the older, more mechanical tick-tock from relays, and there's the newer synthetic click, which is designed to approximate the old sound, but newer trucks use a speaker. For people who hate it, here's where the pain points come in. Maybe the sound is too soft, and you keep leaving your blinker on, or it's so aggressive that you get annoyed on every 10-minute drive to Trader Joe's. A lot of people have asked, can you change it? Not really on recent models unless you want to start pulling the dash apart and soldering wires. Which, pro tip, is not fun and probably not worth $200 in parts, plus risk of breaking something. Here's a quick breakdown. If your F-150 is from before 2015, you likely have a physical relay controlling your turn signal. You'd hear a genuine mechanical tick. If it's 2015 or newer, you're listening to a manufactured noise played through a speaker, the same kind that makes those door chimes. That's why the sound feels a bit sterile in newer trucks, even kind of muted. The numbers don't lie. Ford's own NVH noise vibration harshness engineers tested dozens of sound samples before picking one they thought was pleasant for the largest audience. But yeah, if you hate it, you have options. Aftermarket sound packs exist, and you can technically reroute the chime to play your own custom sound. There are some videos showing people with F-150s stitching in everything from old Mustang relay clicks to R2-D2 beeps. Your mileage may vary, especially if you hate electrical gremlins. Still, 9 out of 10 people with broken turn signal sounds just have a busted fuse or a dying speaker. Start there before you go full mad scientist on your truck's wiring. It's usually a $5 fix at O'Reilly Auto Parts. The worst scenario is that you've got a dead blinker sound, and you do that classic thing where you forget your signal's on for an entire mile. This can wreck your credibility as a real truck guy and get you wild stares in the Safeway parking lot. Not fun. If you absolutely love the Ford sound and you want to fix it up, just swap the little chime speaker or update the relay on older models. 15 minutes, a screwdriver, and you're back to that oddly satisfying semi-melodic F-150 tick, which, strangely, makes the world feel just a little bit in order.